Hey guys, it's Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. If you're new here or if you are a long-time visitor, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have something special for you. We're gonna be doing my first PR unboxing and putting on the finishing touches on my face. So if you guys want to see what I got and how it swatches, stay tuned after the break and you will not be disappointed. So about 3 weeks ago, I got put on NiMae Beauty's PR list. They sent me an email. It's like, we've been looking at you, we've been watching you, and you've been like, we like what you're about. So send us your contact information if you reply to this email if you want to be on the PR list and send us your contact information. So I did that, and I didn't hear anything back. Not saying that I didn't think that I would hear anything back, but I was just like, okay, cool, whenever something happens, I'll get some PR. Anyway, on Sunday or Saturday, I can't remember, one day I came home and there was a package waiting for me on our entryway table. And I was like, ooh, what's this? It was my NiMae Beauty package. So I opened it up and I looked and saw what was in it, and it came with a little card that was just like, thank you so much for being on board. We appreciate you. And then I got a bag full of goodies. So I'm going to be unboxing them, showing them to you today, and then I'm going to be putting on, like I said, the finishing touches. So here goes. So first I got 2 sets of lashes. This one is the Nicole pair and this one is the Marie pair. And I've been wanting the Nicole pair for a very long time. Like, it came out and then I missed it. Like, it sold out really quickly. And so now I have the Nicole pair and I'm really excited about that. I think she knows that because I've been telling her I wanted Nicole for a long time. And then I got I believe these are called the Sunray Illuminators. Isn't this a cute package? I love it. It is in the shade Honey, so let us swatch. And it has this cute little sifter there, so only a little bit of product comes out. I like that. I like that a lot. So let me go in here. Oh my gosh, this is such great packaging. Oh! And then when you open it, it has this thing, so it goes into that sifter so that your products stay. Y'all know I love packaging. Y'all know I love good packaging. This is such a good packaging. Let me wait. I appreciate this right now. I haven't used it yet, so let me see about when I use it, like how it reacts to like my brush and stuff. But here is Honey. That is that Honey Illuminator right there. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. I cannot wait to use that. And then I got 4 liquid lipsticks. I think I have every single liquid lipstick they have now. The ones I bought, the ones I got for Valentine's Day. She sent me some for Valentine's Day. And then I got these. So let's swatch this diamond lip first. This is in the shade Nectar. Ooh, that's pretty. This one is a liquid lipstick in the shade Kitty. Y'all know I love me a deep lip. Black girl with a vamp lip. That is my aesthetic. Oh, this is gorgeous. Then we have Andrea. Ooh, that's pretty too. I love me a wine lip. This one doesn't have a name on it, but I believe it's Lena because I have all the rest of them. I don't have Lena, so I'm assuming that this is the one that I don't have. So let's check this one out. Ooh, this one's gonna be nice for spring. Yes, I love it. All right, so here are the swatches of the products that I got in my NiMae Beauty PR package, plus the 2 lashes. Woo. So here they go. Anyway, so like I said, this video is named Finishing Touches because really she gave me all the finishing touches of your makeup, your lashes, your highlighter, your lipstick. So I'm going to be putting them on for you and letting you guys see how everything, like what's going on with everything and all that jazz. That's why I'm about to put on the Nicole lash. Oh, and look at them. These are so pretty. Ooh, yes. The Marie lash looks good too, but I'll save that for another time. Alright, so now let's try the honey highlighter. Ooh, honey illuminator. That's what it's called. Oh, okay, alright. See, she was not playing with these. You gotta go on really, really lightly. I'm gonna take this fake Fenty brush and let's try to buff some of that out. If you really like highlighters and you want to be seen from outer space, you're good. But as for me in my house, I like I like it to be like in the middle. Like I like a moderate sun highlighter. I like it to be in the middle. So I want you to be able to see it, but I don't want it to be blinding. So I'm gonna put it down with this brush and then I'm gonna blend it with this brush. So I love this. I love the lashes. Let's do some lipsticks. It's springtime, so why not use Lena? And then I'm gonna see what happens when I put the diamond lip on top of it. Yep, I like this. I like this. Very. And then let's see what happens when we put a little bit of the diamond lip in the middle. This is nectar. Ugh. It smells like burnt sugar or warm sugar. So this is the finished look, guys. It really wasn't that much of a finished look. We just added the finishing touches, but I really, really, really enjoyed opening my first official PR box, parcel, package, whatever, with you guys today, and then using the products on camera. I am pretty sure I have a code for NiMae Beauty, but I do not know it as of this moment. So if you guys want to purchase any of these products and anything else that she has on her website, by the time this video posts, I should know what my code is, and I'll put it in the description box. If you contact me on Twitter at Glamazon1026, I'll be able to let you know what my code is so that you guys can go and support this Black-owned business. We're trying to get her big time. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up down below and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If you're not subscribed and you want to subscribe and you want to get on the notifications list, just make sure you click the bell when the subscription bar changes to the bell so that you can be a part of the Glam Fam and know exactly when I upload every single week. Also, do not forget to comment below and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.